Here are the things we did when we arrived at Taiwan Airport in Taipei, Taiwan. We opened our data roaming to make sure na meron tayong signal from the eSIM na binook natin from Klook. Upon deplaning, we just followed the crowd para sa first process natin, which is security check. Before you reach the next step, which is immigration counter, makikita nyo na itong iconic Taiwan sign. At this point, pwede na kayo dito magpa-picture and you can also use this time to prepare your passport and Taiwan arrival card. We then proceeded sa belt to wait and pick up our luggage. Mula sa arrival hall ay hinanap na agad namin ang Taiwan The Lucky Land to try our luck. Unfortunately, di kami nanalo. Kaya we need to look for an ATM to withdraw using our GCash Visa card and we found Bank of Taiwan which is malapit lang from The Lucky Land. And since red eye flight itong nabook natin at dumating tayo dito ng madaling araw, our option now to go to Taipei Main Station is to purchase a midnight bus ticket. For you to have a clearer picture kung ano na ang makikita upon exiting the arrival hall, I thought of creating this map to pin the location. For example, on this part sa arrival hall, sa left side nyo, makikita nyo na ang booth ng Klook. If you arrive in the morning and if you need to redeem something, dyan kayo pupunta. However, in our case, dumiretso agad kami sa Taiwan The Lucky Land booth. Dito naman siya makikita sa right side and a few steps away lang is ang ATM ng Bank of Taiwan kung saan kami nag-withdraw. And a few steps lang makikita nyo na ang Walkalator pababa sa bay kung saan magpa-purchase ng midnight ticket. You will see 7-Eleven dito sa left side pagbaba nyo sa platform. And dito sa right side yung way papunta naman sa mga booth kung saan na tayo makakabili ng ating ticket papuntang Taipei Main Station. And then we look for ticket booth number 7 and dito kami nakapurchase ng ticket amounting 133 NTD or 235 Philippine peso. After that, we headed to Bay 5 kung saan naghihintay na ang ating bus going to Taipei Main Station.